In this update, I'll be showing progress and design improvements to the custom MR-1 Gantry mill ball screw covers. Picking up where we left off from the last video, the next task was to design and attach sidewalls. I chose to attach sidewalls separately due to 3D printing constraints. The walls are only 1mm thick and in some cases quite tall. There was no option but to print them flat on the bed to eliminate shrink distortion. The wall design is working well, but I want them to attach more snugly. Pushing the dovetails out by 0.1mm should do the trick. I've also tightened the clamp that secures the Y gantry mount. However, it's too tight and I don't love this design. I'll address this later. The sidewalls have an inner flange to prevent updraft. Washing chips away with cutting fluid and air produces an updraft into this area. The small flange helps reduce the chips getting up in there. Due to the location of these screws, I had to drop the sidewalls an extra 20mm so to not obstruct the flanges. Further improvements were made to the Y gantry mounts. The clip-style clamp was swapped for a dovetail design that extends further up the housing wall for more strength. The inside clamp doubles as a chip shield. A shield was added to the outside of the mount's housing. Y covers were finalized by securing snap-on components with epoxy. The gantry shields drastically reduce chips from entering the enclosure. Rear Y covers are near identical to the front covers but slightly higher to accommodate clearance for the stepper motor and limit switch. Improvements were made to the X-axis mounts. Covers were measured and printed for X-axis. An additional shield was designed to reduce chips from entering the stepper housing and onto the limit switches. A slice was printed for testing purposes. Slight modifications were made. The final clamp and shield was printed. Further changes will be needed, but it's getting close. And that's all for now. See you in the next video.